Hi, today we're going to look at some very basic functionality in Excel, subtracting one cell, row or column from another. To start with, left click in the cell you want to populate with a solution. Then press the equal sign on the keyboard and next left click the cell you want to subtract from. Follow this by pressing the minus sign on the keyboard. Then finally left click on the second cell that you wish to subtract in your answer. Press return or enter and the subtraction will populate the cell chosen. If you have two columns of data that you want to subtract from each other, simply perform the subtraction we've just run through, then highlight the cell with the answer in it. Move the cursor over the bottom right corner until a small plus sign appears. Then drag this down to the bottom row of the two columns of data, and Excel will repeat the formula you've just entered for the subsequent rows. With your data in rows rather than columns, follow the same procedure, perform the subtraction on the first column of the two rows, then once again hover over the bottom right corner of the solution until a plus sign appears, and drag this across to the last column of data. Thanks for listening. See you soon for more quick Excel hints and tips.